Before this, I was a noob. Everything started with a donut tutorial, and then the chair tutorial by Blender Guru. After that, I followed a few more beginner tutorials until I found the CG Boost beginner course where I learned a lot. Eventually, I realized I need to escape the tutorial hell, so I started creating my own project. The perfume bottle, the headphone, and many others. That's when I truly fell in love with the process of creating art. As you can see, some of my projects are finished and many of them are still unfinished, but I am proud of every single piece I made because, well, I made it. It didn't exist before and I brought it into the world. Maybe it's ugly, maybe it's flawed, but it's my ugly little piece of art. And I think that as humans living in the age of AI, we should learn to love our imperfect creations and understand that art is not just the final result, it's the process itself. Of course, this led me to the obvious question: can AI replace me? To answer that, I went down the rabbit hole of understanding the human psychology and what art really means to us. The short answer: art is expression. For the artist, it's a way to express themselves through writing, drawing, acting, 3D art, or even games, or whatever medium they choose. For the audience, art is the feeling they express when they connect with the artist. So, let me ask the same question, but in a different way. Can AI express feeling? When you look to an AI generated image, can you truly feel what the creator, what the AI user wanted you to feel? For me, it's not. I feel nothing. I feel that emptiness of AI. And that's why I don't believe AI can replace artists. Because someone who creates art through AI lose the opportunity to experience, to express himself, to express his memories, his fears, his hopes, and everything to the world. And as an artist, this is our job. And basically, it is this shared experience between the artist and the audience is what makes art special. If you made it this far, I want you to be proud of being an artist. Use your art to express yourself as a human being, because inside every one of us, there is a story waiting to be told and a feeling waiting to be shared. And if you would like to learn 3D art and gain another way to express yourself, feel free to check out my tutorial series. Thank you for watching.